Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rabia Daim and today our lecture is multivariate analysis. What is multivariate analysis? Multivariate analysis is a statistical method used to study more than two variables at the same time. It helps researchers understand relationship patterns and effects among different variables in a data set. For example, studying how many hours do you study, attendance and sleep affect student exam performance. Why multivariate analysis is important? This analysis is vital because it helps in decision making, finds hidden relationships, improve prediction accuracy in used in research and data sciences and handles complex dataset effectively. And we can see variable involved in multivariate analysis are two variables, dependent and independent, two main types. Independent variable, there are variables that influence outcomes, and dependent variables, these are variable affect by others factor. For example, independent variable like diet and exercise results in the dependent variable for weight loss. And we can see the common techniques of multivariate analysis are several techniques are used to perform this analysis. Multiple regression, principal components, analysis PCA, and other techniques like MNOVA and SS. Multi-regression used to predict one variable like exam marks using several independent variables like attendance and study hours. And PCA, we also discussed in our previous lecture a detailed lecture on PCA topic. Reduce large dataset into smaller meaningful components to reduce complexity and improve visualization. Other techniques are these include factor analysis, cluster analysis, discriminant analysis, and ANOVA. And next one is PCA reduce large dataset into smaller meaningful components. And its advantages are reduce complexity, saves time, and improves visualization. And we can see some real life examples related to this application. Multivariate analysis is applied across various fields like education, business, healthcare, marketing, and finance. Education for student performance analysis, and business for customer behavior analysis, and healthcare for disease prediction, and marketing for market research and sales predictions. And like our last one is finance for risk management. Thank you so much. See you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.